If call recording is not showing up or not working on your iPhone, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First of all, test call recording. And for that, open the phone app, then try calling your own number to test the feature. And during the call, look at the top left corner for the recording icon. It looks like lines with a dot. Tap it. If you see this call will be recorded, then the feature is working. And if not, move on to the next steps. Update your phone to iOS 18.1 or later. And to do that, go to your Settings app, then tap on General. After that, go into Software Update and make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18.1 or later. This feature was introduced in iOS 18.1. After that, enable call recording. And for that, go back to the main settings menu, then scroll all the way down and tap on apps. After that, find and tap on phone. Then scroll down to the call recording and make sure it's toggled on. If it's off, call recording won't work. Then check country availability. Call recording is only available in certain countries. As of now, it's supported in US, UK, Australia, Canada, India, Ireland, New Zealand, Singapore, and Spanish-speaking countries like Mexico and Spain. If you're not in a supported region, the option may be hidden or restricted due to local laws. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.